let's see. What's up, friends? Today we are back again, and we are bringing you some new content that you have never seen before. My name is Kevin, and before we get into the video, please join the Shiver Cord. We are looking for our very first member to join the Shiver Cord. If you join before July 31st, 2026, you will get premium Patreon benefits for the first week of your membership. So today we are going to be, yes, we meaning Kevin and I, are going to be showing you a little card trick. So let's get right into this review. And guys, please join the Shiver Cord. We have been using the wrong link for the last few videos. The link is right here on screen. That is 2CD7YFJ5U. That is a lowercase f at the end there. Please join the Shiver Cord. Join the Shiver Cord. Okay. And now on to the main part of the video. Today I am going to be showing you a card trick. Now you don't need Cracker Barrel cards for this, but it is highly recommended. So I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3-card Monty. You're going to want to follow along for this one, my crackers. Let's get right into this review. Alrighty, so here's what you're going to want to do. Flip the top card up. You're going to want to remember this is the 4 of horseshoes. This will be important later in the video. You're going to put that card back on top. Make sure the deck is nice and snug. And here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to approach somebody and make sure to join the Shiver Cord down in the description below. You're going to want to approach somebody and go, remember this card. Make sure they don't know that you know this card. So you guys are going to be the audience in this example. Please remember this card, and I don't know what it is. I'm going to put it back on top. Then I'm going to hold the deck like this. Make sure 3 fingers are here and 1 finger is here, and your thumb is here. And you're going to want to move your finger down here. Here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to trifle the cards and ask them when to say stop. They will say stop. And here's where the trick happens. When they say stop, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to join the Shiver Cord down in the description down below. So here's what you're going to want to do. Once you have the cards split in half, you're going to want to do this. So now I call this a 1-Jack Monty. Here's how it works. As you're sliding the deck out, you're keeping your fingers on the top card like that. But you're going to want to do it fast so they don't see it. So for example, they'll go, stop. You're going to stop right here. And you're going to go like this. You didn't even see that happen. And then you're going to go, are you sure you want to stop under this card? They will say, yes, I do want to stop under this card. This is where you're going to get them. And we're going to get you by asking you to join the Shiver Cord. It is down. So here's where the trick starts. You're going to want to say, are you sure you have this card? They're going to say yes. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to ask them, what did you have for breakfast this morning? When they answer, eggs, toast, Nutella, whatever they might have, you're going to want to go, interesting. So I think your card is the 4 of horseshoes. And would you look at that? I was right. That is just one of the many Shiver tricks I know below. And if you want to know more magic tricks just like this one, I am in the Shiver Cord. Please, guys, the link is right here, and I want at least 10 members to join by the end of July. Remember, if you join before the end of July, you get 30% off the Patreon for the first month of July. That is right, everyone, and we will see you in the next Shiver episode. My name is Kevin, and I am signing out.